Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm heading to Costco. Yes, I am so excited. I love Costco. Come with me. Let's go. I just have a few things on my list that I need. I have my calculator, and so the other stuff that I get is just things that we use. So, and I like to show you around Costco as much as I can. So let's go.
Have you ever looked at gift cards at Costco? They're such a great price. We used to get Christmas gift cards here. Probably still do. So I completely love when I come to these places like Costco or just neighborhood places and run into friends. Oh, it's the best to just run into people who've known my kids since they were tiny, and they have grown kids too. So it's the best. So good sales are going on at Costco right now. Plenty of tissue.
Okay, you guys, I am super excited to show you what I got. I got so many sales. So like I said, I had a few things I needed to get. And then the rest was kind of like what I wanted to get and I knew my family would enjoy and really like. I didn't want to get meats. I feel like, I have what I want with that so far. And there's some things that I have a lot of in our freezer. So I didn't want to go that route too much. But there were some things I needed to stock up like in the pantry, and I'll show you. So first off, I needed to get some more toilet paper. Now like I showed you, they have plenty of toilet paper there, and that was not even the Costco brand side, which was full. And so that right there is a lot of toilet paper for under $17. So I always try to get one of those or the paper towels every single time I go to Costco. Good stock up item. Another thing that I like to stock up on is this organic flour. So these are 20 to 10 pounds for $11 for organic, you guys. So that is a good price. Happy to buy it. And I don't get it every time, but I have been cooking a lot lately. So let me show you what else I got. So I got another brick of yeast, active yeast. I had one in my back pantry. I already opened it. I am going through a lot more yeast because I make a lot more bread. So about once a week or so, I'm making rolls, whether rolls from me and the boys, or making kamut flour rolls for Paul. And so it's funny because this is so like a brick, like literally, it's not that heavy, but it's like hard. And then once you open it up, it like all the oxygen goes into there and it just like, it's like powder. It's kind of satisfying. I also picked up this is the first time I've bought the salt here, the pure sea salt from Costco. This was like $2.70. Another, because we go through lots of these seasoning salts too, especially pepper. I love pepper. This is the first time I bought this at Costco. This was $4. That's a good size. Cooking spray. Ooh, I'm on my last one, so I just wanted to keep these on hand. And you guys, I text Paul about this one because it's a big deal. I picked up this big old thing of Traeger rub. Let me show you the containers that we have of the Traeger spices. So here is the Traeger rub here and here. Okay, so this right here cost us probably somewhere between $10 and $12 for this little can. This was $15. So if you are barbecue fanatics or want to get some good flavor on some beef or some burgers, this is it, you guys. So Costco, what a savings. I mean, come on. That's amazing. I mean, I should get more. We go through lots of these spices. I picked up some bananas. Those are good to have on hand. Boys will eat them sometimes. Okay, this is one of the things I needed. It was a little pricier than I wanted it to be. I think it was like $12 or $14.99. These were $12.99. And normally I can get them a little bit cheaper than that. I just didn't find the coupons for the discount. But these ones are the big ones, and these will last us a while. Ezra was so excited to see these. I don't like to buy them if they're not on sale. they're like $15, not sale. So they were 10. So that was a good price. So I got those. I picked up these yogurts for Paul. They have high protein. They're just easy to get for breakfast. I haven't had this kind though. Let me know down below if you've ever had this kind and what your thoughts are. I don't know. We'll see. It was actually only $7 for this whole pack, and there's like 18 in here. So I thought that was a good price. All right, these were on sale for $6.99. So $7, you guys, for 6 bowls. So these can be a really quick dinner for our family, or if Paul wants to use them for his lunches. Now, these aren't gluten-free, but it's in the sauce. So, because rice is fine, veggies are fine, the chicken is fine. It's the sauce that has the gluten part. So if he wants to kind of switch it out, I think he can probably take the packet out and he could put something that he would prefer, or just use however much he wants to use and maybe use like half or something. Up to him. But what a good price. These chicken teriyaki bowls do come in handy for sure. I picked up some more of these protein drinks. Now we still have some in the back fridge. They were on sale, and remember, they were on a good sale, so I bought 2 of them. And we're probably down to like the last 10 or so, but these ones were on sale as well. These are normally $25, and I got it for $18. And this one, the Orgain, is actually our favorite. It's gluten-free, dairy-free. It's got a good flavor. It's good tasting. These ones that are already pre-mixed and prepared, but the powder, you guys, that is my favorite for sure. These are pretty good too. Let's keep going. All right, so we have here also some big bag of Doritos. Whenever I have Doritos, it actually makes me feel like having a tuna sandwich. So maybe I'll make some. I kind of go through spurts. I still have plenty of cans back there for me. So this will be so good to have. I'll have to just make sure I put them in their own individual baggies. Grandma Sycamore. Now this price for those Doritos was like $3.50 or something. It's on a sale. These are typically like $4.69 or something like that at my Costco, which is such a good price because whenever I buy one, it's on sale for $3. So, and I do buy it because it's just so good. Somebody asked me recently what it is about this bread. It has like a homemade taste. That's what it is. It's so soft, and it does taste like homemade bread. Very good, and makes great sandwiches, right? I picked up some cheeses, you guys, from Costco. The last time I did that, I was not impressed with the price. It was like $6.99 for each one. Okay, these were now $4.99 or $5. So they're starting to come down in price. Thank goodness. I love having Monterey Jack. So good in enchiladas. I love making I love grating my cheese fresh. Just because I think it melts better and I think it has a better taste. So the mild cheddar is good for snacking on. I can make cubes out of these, actually both of them. But these will probably be used in recipes for cooking. My favorite cheddar is medium cheddar. That's my favorite. Sharp is so good with like a potato dish or even a casserole. So Sharp has its purposes too. Okay, whenever I go to Costco, I have to get butter. So I still have a couple of these in the back, which is good because I have been, baking a lot too. So this was like $7.99 for all of these. Such a good price. If I can get the sale at my nearby stores, these are usually about $2.50 each pack. So I do save money by buying it in bulk like this, for sure. Another thing that I like to buy is, of course, the deli ham. So this is a 2-pack for $10. So I will put these into the freezer, and when I'm ready to make my ham cups, I just cut these into a perfect square like this, cut it right there, and then I'll have a little sliver here. So it will make all of those into ham cups, and those I just use double, crisscross them, and make more ham cups. So that if you're new here, ham cups to me, I have 2 of those every morning and I don't get tired of them, you guys. They are so delicious. I make like 24 or more if I can at once, and then I put them in the freezer after I bake them. So preheat your oven at 400, put these in a muffin tin, crack the egg in, and just bake it for 14 minutes. Take it out, sprinkle a little cheese, put it back in for about another minute. Boom, done. Let it cool. And then I stack them on 2, and then I put them in freezer bags. It's so good. And I don't mind like when they thaw out and I just heat them up in the microwave. I think it's all great. So, but I love eggs. So anyway, I love it. So the next thing I got were some chocolate chunk cookies for the family. So I know the boys love these. I might put some in the freezer. Because they will go really fast. I think it's just because they're out and about. They just think, oh, let me grab 1, let me grab 2, or even more sometimes. So I think I'm gonna put them in freezer bags by row and just keep 1 row out for now. Trying you guys to kind of monitor these guys. They are growing so big and my boys are always hungry. Ugh. Okay, so I picked up some eggs. I like to just keep a bunch on hand, and then when I have to make the egg cups, I have a bunch. I thought these were on sale. No, they weren't. They were $13.99. But you guys, there's 30 bars here, and they are gluten-free, so I was happy to get them for Paul. So these will be good in the drawer for when he goes to work or when he wants a breakfast or whatever, a snack. They're for him or whoever wants them, really. And my favorite thing, one of my favorites are these tortillas, these uncooked organic tortillas. They're like $7.99 for these 2 packs, and there's like 36 total in here, which is totally fine, totally good. I cook up 18 at a time on the skillet, and then I just keep them in the refrigerator for whenever we need them. Ezra's a big fan of quesadillas, but a lot of times I will even use the tortillas to make like a quick like a green chicken enchilada casserole, and then you just use the flour tortillas and I just rip them in half and then kind of, you know, maneuver them into covering, make a layer, and then like the chicken to cheese and the sauce, chicken cheese sauce, you know, so good. So you guys, I spent $200 and that was exactly my limit, and it was like $200 and like 37 cents. It was perfect. So I love going to Costco. I don't get to go like as often as I would like, but it is still great to go there and get what we need. I love planning ahead with lunches and breakfast ideas. So thanks so much for going with me to Costco today. Stick around because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.